of yoga to control the mind and gaining insight, resting and detached awareness, and liberation abilities. So yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility, stress relief. Yoga improves mental health also. So as we know, considering the importance of yoga, few years back, United Nations recognized this yoga as International Day of Yoga. So this is this achievement of the country from where this yoga originated, and the whole world every year 21st June is celebrated across the world as International Day of Yoga. So this program is organized by the University Sports Unit. It's a very important program. So I, on behalf of the DSW office, on behalf of the university fraternity, I personally welcome on behalf of the student university fraternity, I heartily welcome to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of this university as a chief guest. Sir has consented to grace this occasion as a chief guest. So I heartily welcome you, sir, for receiving, for accepting our request to grace the occasion. And I welcome to all the respected directors, all the respective deans of the constituent colleges of this university, and HODs who have